What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding rationalizing a two-term denominator. That's practice 5. We had different practices before regarding rationalizing a two-term denominator, and we will see more examples in this video. So this example is saying 3 over 5 plus root 5. The answer is 3 over 5 plus root 5 times the conjugate of the denominator, which is 5 minus root 5 divided by 5 minus root 5. That's going to be 3 times 5 minus root 5 divided by 5 squared minus root 5 squared, which is going to be 3 times 5 minus root 5. And here you have 25 minus 5, which is 20. Next example, we have 20 divided by 4 minus root 3. Answer is 20 over 4 minus root 3 times the conjugate of the denominator, which is 4 plus root 3 divided by 4 plus root 3. That's going to be 20 times 4 plus root 3. And here you have 4 squared minus root 3 squared. So that's going to be 20, 4 plus root 3 divided by 16 minus 3 is going to be 13. Next example is root 2 divided by root x minus root 3. Answer will be root 2 divided by root x minus root 3 times the conjugate of the denominator and divided by the same thing, because when you multiply by something extra you need to divide it by the same thing to make it 1, because we cannot change the equation. So that's going to be root 2 times root x plus root 3 divided by root x to the power of 2 minus root 3 to the power of 2. That's difference of squares. I explained it earlier, and also in some other videos I explained it. Next example is root 5 divided by root y minus root 7. Answer is root 5 divided by root y minus root 7 times root y plus root 7 divided by root y plus root 7. That's going to be root 5 times root y plus root 7 divided by root y squared minus root 7 squared, which makes it root 5 times root y minus root 7 divided by y minus 7. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.